Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect FTMO to TradingView. This is an important step for traders who want to streamline their trading process and fully utilize TradingView's powerful charting and analysis tools. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and visit tradingview.com. Log in to your TradingView account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, the next step is to access the chat or support system. This feature is often overlooked, but it's extremely useful when you need quick and accurate guidance. You'll usually find the chat option in the bottom right corner of the TradingView homepage. It may appear as a small chat bubble or be labeled as Help or Support. Click on it to open the chat window. Here, type your question clearly. For example, how can I connect my FTMO account to TradingView? After sending your message, TradingView support will respond with step-by-step instructions. These instructions typically guide you through the entire process, such as logging into your FTMO account, generating the required credentials, and completing the setup needed to link it with TradingView. Make sure to carefully follow each step provided to avoid any issues during the connection process. While you're in the support section, it's also a good idea to explore other broker connections available on TradingView. The platform supports a wide range of brokers, giving you more flexibility to experiment with different markets and trading strategies. And that's it. By following these steps, you can successfully connect FTMO with TradingView and take full advantage of both platforms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!